I'd like to talk briefly now about how to bring about paradigm change. Paradigm change is far more difficult than piecemeal change. I don't recommend it as something that a lone person tried to do within their own school. It's going to be a very difficult and frustrating experience. It's important to try to take an approach that is neither top-down nor bottom-up, but a combination of the two. And it's really helpful to have an outside facilitator who is experienced with the paradigm change process. With such a facilitator, you can elicit support from the top and build grassroots effort from the bottom at the same time. And a major aspect of the process has to be a focus on helping people to evolve their mindsets or thinking about education. Because the new paradigm of education requires a different mindset or worldview about education. Without that change in mindset, any kind of attempt at paradigm change is going to be unsuccessful. Therefore, the change process needs to be as much a learning process as a doing process. And one major way to accomplish that is through efforts at consensus building. That you need to involve all stakeholder groups in working together to try to build consensus about what is important in education. And through that consensus building process, everybody learns and develops new perspectives. So it's a time-consuming process. It takes a lot of time to involve people in those kinds of discussions that result in consensus building, but it is really essential to bringing about paradigm change within a current system of education. Now, if you're designing a brand new system, it's a different story. Then you can take a very different approach. But for changing an existing system, you really need a lot of focus on making the change process a design process, a learning process, and a consensus building process.